What if you could start a real business from your home with just a $500 machine? In 2025, it's more possible than ever. In this video, I'll show you 15 low-cost machines you can actually buy, what they do, how to use them, and how to start selling. No complicated steps, no hype, just real, simple business ideas you can start right now. Let's jump in. But before we jump in, if you want to access these machines' databases we are discussing in the video, comment "I need database" and I'll send it to you. Number 1, 3D printer. And here's the thing, you don't need to spend thousands anymore. Quality 3D printers like the Creality Ender 3 V3 SE are available for around $199 to $219, while the popular Bamboo Lab A1 Mini runs about $199. Think about this. How many times have you needed a custom phone stand or broken a plastic part on something and couldn't find a replacement? That's exactly the kind of problem these machines solve, and people will pay good money for that convenience. The beauty of 3D printing is that the demand for personalized one-off items is absolutely exploding. You could set up an Etsy shop specializing in custom gadgets, cosplay props, or even replacement parts for appliances. The material cost is incredibly low, maybe 50 cents worth of plastic filament to make something you can sell for $15, $20. Flower printer. Now, here's something that sounds like it came from the future. A machine that can actually print text and images directly onto fresh flower petals. I know it sounds crazy, but this technology is real and it's creating some incredible business opportunities. Picture this. You're a florist and someone orders a dozen roses for an anniversary. Instead of just handing over regular roses, you print "Happy 10th Anniversary, Sarah" right on each petal. These specialized flower printers use advanced UV technology to apply designs directly onto flower surfaces without damaging the delicate petals. Event planners absolutely love this technology because it adds that personal touch that makes events memorable. Button maker. Sometimes the simplest ideas are the best ones, and button making is proof of that. A quality button maker machine runs between $4,703 and comes with everything you need to get started, including hundreds of button parts. Here's what I love about this business. Buttons and pins never go out of style. From band merchandise to political campaigns, from school spirit to small business branding, everyone needs custom buttons at some point. And the profit margins are fantastic. Parts cost only a few cents per button, but you can easily sell them for $2 to $5 each or more. The great thing about button making is how addictive it becomes once you get the hang of it. You'll find yourself coming up with clever sayings and designs, and before you know it, you've got a whole product line. The setup is dead simple too. Electric meat grinder. If you've ever looked at the ingredient list on store-bought ground meat and wondered what exactly you're eating, an electric meat grinder might be your ticket to a healthier, more profitable lifestyle. The health-conscious food movement isn't going anywhere, and people are increasingly willing to pay premium prices for clean, fresh, ground meat products. You could create custom sausage blends, think jalapeno elk for the adventurous types, or simple turkey and herb mixtures for health-conscious families. Pet owners are another huge market here. More and more dog and cat owners want to feed their pets fresh, homemade diets, but grinding meat by hand is tedious and time-consuming. You could offer a service grinding custom meat blends for pet food. Now, I'll be straight with you. If you want to sell meat products, the regulations are stricter than for baked goods. Portable coffee printer. Here's a business idea that's perfect for the Instagram age. A machine that prints actual pictures directly onto coffee foam. These portable coffee printers can create detailed designs in about 10 seconds using food-grade edible ink. Think about the marketing potential here. Corporate events where every latte has the company logo. Weddings where the bride and groom's photo appears on each cappuccino. Or just regular cafe customers who want their selfie on their morning coffee. The beauty of this business is that it turns ordinary drinks into shareable experiences. Every printed coffee becomes a social media post, which means free advertising for whoever hired you. Wedding planners, corporate event organizers, and progressive cafe owners are all potential customers. Edible food printer. These printers can transfer any photo or design directly onto cookies, cakes, and candies. They use FDA-approved edible inks and can print full-color images on sugar cookies in one go, saving hours compared to traditional piping and fondant work. Imagine offering custom logo cookies for corporate events, or birthday cookies printed with kids' favorite cartoon characters. The personalization trend in the sweets business is huge right now. Parents want birthday cookies that look exactly like their child's favorite superhero. Businesses want branded treats for client meetings. Wedding planners need cookies that match the theme perfectly. Here's the best part. Many states include printed chocolates and candies under cottage food allowances, meaning you might not need a commercial kitchen to get started. Ribbon printer. This machine lets you print custom text, logos, or small images directly onto satin ribbons for that extra special touch. Think about all the businesses that could use custom printed ribbons. Florists who want to add personal messages to bouquet ribbons. Small businesses looking to brand their gift packaging. Event planners who need custom ribbons for party decor. The business model is straightforward. You become the go-to person for custom ribbon printing in your area. Type the message, hit print, and out comes. Professional quality printed ribbon in seconds. No heavy regulations since you're dealing with non-food, non-electrical items. In a market that's obsessed with personalization, custom ribbons literally tie everything together. Spice grinder. Have you noticed how gourmet spice blends have exploded in popularity? Those fancy barbecue rubs and chai mixes you see at farmers markets for $12 a jar? That could be you with a good spice grinder and some creativity. Grinding fresh spices at home means superior aroma and flavor compared to mass-produced alternatives. You can buy whole spices in bulk and create signature blends. Maybe a coffee spice rub for meats, or a unique herbal tea blend that becomes your signature product. The daily demand for spices is enormous. Every kitchen uses them, and people are increasingly willing to pay premium prices for unique, high-quality blends. The startup costs are minimal, but the profit potential is substantial. Cotton candy machine. This isn't just for carnivals anymore. Entrepreneurs are reinventing it with gourmet flavors and stylish packaging. A home-grade cotton candy machine costs well under $500, and the profit margins are phenomenal. The sugar for one serving costs maybe 20 cents, but you can sell that serving for $3 to $5 at events. What makes this business special is the performance aspect. People love watching cotton candy being made. It's entertainment and a treat rolled into one. You could set up at school fundraisers, farmers markets, birthday parties, or even offer party rental services. Unique flavors can set you apart from the competition. Slushie maker machine. On hot summer days, nothing draws a crowd like ice-cold slushies. A slushie maker can churn out those semi-frozen, colorful drinks that people line up for at fairs and beach stands. The appeal is universal. Kids want blue raspberry slush. Adults enjoy frozen margaritas. You can make both alcoholic and non-alcoholic versions. The economics are fantastic. Basically, water, flavored syrup, and electricity comes out to well under $1 per cup, which you can sell for $3 or more, yielding around 80% profit margins. You could operate a mobile slushie cart at events, rent machines to party hosts, or even partner with existing food vendors. The visual appeal of bright, colorful slushies pulls customers from across any venue. Laser engraving machine. Many beginner models are now available for a few $100s, and the demand for custom products is through the roof. These machines use a focused laser beam to cut or etch designs onto materials like wood, acrylic, leather, or coated metal. The applications are endless. Custom wooden signs for weddings, engraved jewelry, personalized phone cases, branded merchandise for local businesses. What's great about laser engraving is how it produces items that look handmade but can be created efficiently. You could sell on Etsy, at craft fairs, or take direct commissions from businesses that need custom signage or promotional items. There's little regulation beyond normal business licensing. Just follow safety guidelines, since laser machines require proper ventilation and eye protection. Electric deep fryer. An electric deep fryer can kickstart a food business right from your kitchen or food cart, assuming you navigate the regulations properly. The aroma of something frying is basically free advertising. Mini donuts, crispy fries with unique seasonings, deep fried Oreos as novelty desserts. The possibilities are endless. Fresh, hot, fried foods command premium prices, especially when you offer unique twists on classics. Now, here's the reality check. Because you're making perishable foods, you'll need to navigate local health regulations carefully. Many states don't allow selling cooked foods from home without a licensed kitchen, but you can often get permits for food stalls or food trucks at events. Some cottage food laws do allow certain fried baked goods like plain donuts, so research your local regulations. Mini pancakes maker. These fluffy treats are incredibly popular at market stalls because they're cute, customizable, and easy to eat from a paper tray. The machine is simple to use. It has many small round indentations where you pour batter, cook for a minute, flip, and you've got a dozen or more little pancakes ready. People love watching the process because it's fast and entertaining. You can dress them up with toppings, powdered sugar for the classic style, chocolate drizzle, fresh strawberries, or even create trendy versions like gluten-free or protein mini pancakes for health-focused events. A plate of mini pancakes can sell for $5 to $8 depending on portion and toppings, while the ingredients, flour, eggs, milk, are very inexpensive. Legally, this might require a food vendor permit for markets since the real profit is in making them fresh in front of people. Small ice crusher. The concept is brilliantly simple. Take regular bagged ice, put it through the crusher, and out comes feathery ice, perfect for snow cones. Add flavored syrups, and you have a refreshing treat with incredible profit margins. Some shaved ice businesses report 80% plus profit margins since you're essentially selling frozen water with flavor. You can get creative with flavors, classic cherry and blue raspberry, natural fruit purees, or even coffee-flavored ice for adult customers. The business is flexible. Set up a stand in your yard, operate a kiosk at events, or run a mobile cart. Some entrepreneurs even do shaved ice catering for parties. Since shaved ice isn't potentially hazardous, no dairy or complex ingredients, regulations are typically just a simple food vendor permit. Chocolate tempering machine. Gourmet chocolate accounts for nearly half of the entire confectionery market's sales, and consumers keep seeking out premium, handcrafted treats. Tempering gives chocolate that professional snap and glossy finish that separates homemade from store quality. A compact tempering machine automates the precise heating and cooling process so you can focus on creating beautiful chocolates instead of monitoring temperatures. You pour in chocolate chips, the machine tempers it perfectly, and you're ready to dip strawberries, fill molds, or make truffles that look and taste professional. The business opportunities are sweet. Custom chocolates for holidays, corporate logo chocolates, wedding favors, or gourmet chocolate-covered treats. Since these are confectionery items, many states allow home production under cottage food laws as long as they don't require refrigeration. You'll need to label ingredients and allergens properly, but you avoid the heavy regulations that other food businesses face.